Well, as a comparison, that's 1963 Chevrolet right there. And this near had a little, needs some metal work. I done had at it with a hammer so far. And okay, if I was reading this curve right here. This is a good one right here, factory. And even that right there needs a little. You know, you could see a little uprising there, and now it's level. Oh yeah, it's good to go. So it was good, okay, like it was, but that's even better. It does have a little chigger right there, I call it. But, and this did have a, but I think what my concern was this bend right here. See, it appears that if you lay that down, 1963 Chevrolet Impala it is, and you lay this down, see, this is a little bit higher, like at this peak right here. Oh, it is. You can see it here. It's more. How am I going to get that done? I'll have to tweak that. That's wood right there. Two pieces sticking up in that vise. I think if I put them close together, I'm going to show you something. I think this will work. See, I need to pull that around this way. There is a, right down here at the bottom, there's a little hump. And if you take that away, if you push back on that part right there, that pulls back on this part. You know. It just kind of helped it, but okay, that's better. For real. That greatly improved it. Keeping in mind that flange right there don't collapse inwards on you. And to have a pleasing radius around there to match the original one, to match the other one. So it still needs some more right here. This is where it needs to bend, because this one right here has more bend. Oh yeah, that's apparent where it's at. So yeah, okay, right there. Okay, let's do it. Well, you know, I think it actually got worse that time. I'm gonna have to get aggressive with it. It needs to be closer together. I'll show you something. Oh yeah, see, I said put the bend right where it needs to be. you know what, if you don't get it right, if it don't look right here on the workbench, it's surely not going to look right on the automobile. So, well, I like that pretty good, but it's not enough. So no need to see, I got a little aggressive with it that time. So oh yeah, we'll buff these out. We'll go put these on that car. That's gonna be all right. Well, when we go make them biscuits, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and a little nick. I'm gonna get that out of there. Well, actually, see, there's a whole bunch of punches like that right there. That's, see, them's too blunt on the end right there. If you hit that down in there with that sharp edge punch, it'll make a little, make something on there. So we'll probably have to grind one. I think I have one about good enough to go. Actually, I have more than one, but like a blunt end, and yeah, that's blunt right there. Let's see what we get on that. That's all it is right there. So this is a pretty firm surface, and it's not the best. Yeah, we'll use that. Okay, I think we need a wider punch there rather than a blunt one. Well, it appears that I don't have a blunt chisel, but I think this will do right here. we'll buff that out right there. Oh yeah, the match test, it fits. Oh, we're good to go on that right there now. I'll turn that in for grade. I will buff him out. Well, you know, I think it's just kind of what's in the book, I think. But if you look on this block, I'll show you. It's a T14. And it's got some more numbers right down there. Okay. So that's on the casting, and we'll go around on the other side. I'll show you something. If you come all the way around and sneak up on it, and we'll put a light on it. Okay. Oh yeah, pretty good. So that's a block casting. That's what we're working with. It's a 660. I think if you look that up, it's a 1968 or 69 327. Oh yeah, let's look at the clock. Yeah, that's about what time of day it was made.